Get ready because we're taking this Christmas to the max. We loved offering you guys a giveaway last month so much we're doing another one. H2 Minutes and our other channel, H2 Hub, is partnering with another company this month for a giveaway. We're going to be giving away an awesome portable hydrogen water bottle. And we're going to be giving away not one, not two, but 3 of these devices. If you are a regular follower of H2 Minutes, then you know that we do not promote or talk about specific products. So most of the product information for this giveaway will be found on our other channel, H2 Hub, where we review hydrogen products and recommend the ones that are worth the purchase. And full disclosure, I am not very fond of portable hydrogen water bottles, but this portable we are giving away can produce more than 5 milligrams per liter or ppm of dissolved molecular hydrogen in water. And let me tell you, that is a lot for a hydrogen water bottle. And let's be real, it is a lot for any hydrogen water product. It checks all the boxes and more in my professional opinion. If you are new here and want to know what's so special about this hydrogen I'm talking about, I have just what you need. We've made a lot of videos on the benefits of molecular hydrogen for the body. Things like the benefits of hydrogen for all 10 top causes of death in the US, and ways hydrogen can help your brain, as well as hydrogen's benefits for things such as inflammation, allergies, anti-aging, exercise, your immune system, and a whole bunch more. People ask me all the time what hydrogen product I use or recommend. Well, here's your chance to get your hands on one for free. Now, let's talk about some ground rules. We like to stick to education here at H2 Minutes. So make sure you go to this video on H2 Hub to get all the details to register for the giveaway. The entering process is super easy and only involves things such as registering, subscribing, and commenting. We will even show you the product you have a chance to win. We are so excited about this maximized giveaway. Stay tuned for more H2 Minute content this month. We are always teaching about something and letting you in on more and more hydrogen stuff. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our content. Now hurry and go to the H2 giveaway video to learn all the details and sign up.